Make the ground shake.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Goldboy here, and today we're gonna play an adventure map. Now, the adventure map I've downloaded is Don't Press the Button. I'm not so sure what that is, but we're gonna give it a try. Okay, I hear fire. Don't press the button. Don't. What? What is it telling me to do? There is no button. Okay, the rules and game. Don't throw any items in the lava unless told. Am I in adventure mode? I am. Don't lose any items. Don't put them in chests and don't drop them. That was probably purposely. Okay, brightness, moody, run distance, 8 chunks. Well, I've already set that up. Now, it actually looks quite dark. Okay, very important. Take I think it's meant to say always take everything if you can get it. There's nothing. Can I take the chest? Can I take the books? No. Get it. Oh yeah, if you can get it. No, not funny. Sorry. Get it. You might get stuck in the next night. Also, when home. I have a house. You can place items you got that night. Okay. Watch out and follow the hints. Now go guard. Is it really necessary for skulls to be here? Am I gonna die? Okay. All rules. Okay. It's telling me not to press the button. It literally told me just over there not to press the button. Should I? Yeah, okay, why not? Okay, my new job, what do I do? What do I do? Stained glass? Do not touch. Is that the button? That's the exact same one we saw when we entered. Storage. Elemental library. If I go in there, is there gonna be like earth, water and stuff? Snow. Gonna get blasted out. Anyway, press the start job. Okay, hello there. I will be your well instructor. And welcome Goldboy to your new job. Your only job is to not press a button. Easy, right? Why isn't this job so popular then? Well, you see the previous people kind of freaked out. They all snapped, pressed it. I think I can handle it. You know, I am Goldboy, so yeah. Think so? We'll see. This is only the first night, so good luck. Oh, and be warned, magic spells are not uncommon around here. Yeah, sure. Fine. Bye. So, why are all the stars, not moving? What? Oh. Well. Can I throw out this rule? Okay, so what do I do now? YOLO. You gave me nothing. Oh. What's hint system? Hey, this. Who's there? Press the wood button again to get hints. You'll need them. Hey, hi there. Keep it quiet. They shouldn't know I am here. There. Why? So I need hints. Only you gotta do something. What? Oh my gosh, it's reading so fast. Wait. Only I can say now is that nights won't end itself. You gotta do something every night, and this place changes. This night you have to find the beacon of magic. Do it, or the night will be eternal. I have so many questions. Save them. It's already too late. I must go. See ya next night. No, wait. Guys, this is the problem. I can't really read it because I am playing Minecraft on a small screen. I can't use full screen because that somehow messes up the recording. Okay. So we can go in the elemental library. Is this really elemental? this. If you think of elemental, you think of dirty stuff. Okay. Anyway. Chest. Beacon of magic. Okay. Stained glass. Stained glass. Stained glass. Stained glass. Pink. Magic elemental key accepted. Melt the frozen clock and time shall pass. Is this a maze? Oh no, okay, stick to the left wall. Oh, it's here. So how do I... Okay, time to go back then. From the beginning, go left. Oh, chest. Icebreaker. Couldn't it be made out of ice then? Oh well. Anyway, where's it? Right here. Oh. Hello. Night 1 complete! Yes! We've done it. And I've got paintings. Oh, this is my house. This is pretty basic. Diary. Oh. Do I write in this? Okay. I can't even write in it. Okay, dear diary. Can't spell, clearly. I have just, oh my gosh, just come back from my first night at work. No, there were some strange things happening there. I have to go now. See you tomorrow. Well, that's night 1. YOLO. No, come on. Okay. Oh, I can sleep. Yay. Wait, is it gonna turn day? Yes. My house is so dull. I have paintings. Can I... Self-reminder, don't put anything in the chip. Okay, take the actually no, keep the diary. Beautiful. Ta-da. Oh. Paintings are definitely not meant to go inside the house, are they? Oh, those are stairs. Oh, I broke them. Oh no, that's bad. Whoops. Well. I'm praying. Oh yeah, the rule. No, I won't need that. Oh what? Time to go to work. Okay. It's still night time. I've literally just went to bed. Press to start. Okay. So, second night, huh? Like the job? It's too easy, there's nothing to do. Too easy? I thought it was too hard, so I added a hint system. Yeah, added. Nice. Anyway, good night and luck. If you survive this, you'll get your next payment. And press the button again to get hints. What's this? Does this change every single night? Storage, elemental library still here. That button's here. What's so special about this button? Is it the diamond block? It's diamond block. Okay, press to start. Oh gosh. As you can see, the magic elements have changed into the plant element. You see, every night there's another element, but the weird thing is, there are 10 nights. The 9th night element is dark, but to get there, you have to press the button. You'll handle it later. I'll open the library for you. Okay. Well. How do they allow me to have an... Oh my gosh. Do I have to look through chests for everything? Back to phase 1. Oh! Tree of life. I was expecting the tree to be a lot more bigger. If it's a tree... Wait. If I eat it before I die, does it mean I'll live again? No? Okay. To be honest with you, this is a bit creepy now. I'm just gonna go... Yep, see. Ta-da! Plant element key accept... Oh, look, this flower! Yes! Vent tool. Do I have to climb an event? Where am I meant to go? Beautiful chair, I can sit down on it. Does that count? No. Oh, is that a van? Wait. Iron bars. Oh, do I have to parkour? Oh. No. One. No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. What do I do with the iron bars? I can't place them. Stairs. That's the main room where the... Can I press a button? No, it's covered in glass. What's in here? Oh! Ouch. Water exhibition, not ready yet. Clearly, because all the water's frozen. Oh. Can I just... No. Wait. Yep. I don't know if I need to do anything, but... YOLO. Yeah. Night 2 complete. I am stuck. Oh! Anvil and enchanted. Where can I place this? Sandstone. Which side? Eeny, meeny, can't be bothered. Ta-da. Okay. That's number 2. Oh, nope, still got my. Okay. Rule book. That's not my diary. Here you go, my diary. Okay. Okay. Dear diary, I have just... I'm always getting just wrong. Come back from work on my second night. What happened? I can barely write anything in my diary. The end? No. I went in the air vent. How do you spell vent? Air vent. I have now stolen 2 tools. Hope I don't end up in jail. That's it. Well, you know what? Not gonna bother sleeping. I got everything. I got a vent tool and I got an icebreaker. What type of icebreaker could have possibly been it? Well, that's amazing. Stars are still not moving and it looks the exact same as yesterday. Let's start the job. Okay, 3rd out of 10. Going great. Keep it up. The other thing, we closed the library. I understand, it was spooky in there. Actually, a cursed book has been found and it has to be destroyed immediately. That's why you need to find it fast. Hey, I mean, what book? Well, I gotta go now. Ice is melting. What? Well, danger. Keep. Where do you want me to go? Like, what? Something I can press? Oh yeah, hint button. Nothing. Oh. Ah. Well. Oh. What? Oh, there's gonna be something in one of these water fountains, isn't it? Oh no. Do I have to swim up all of them? No. Out. Whatever. This might take a while. Catch you guys back later. Oh dear. Okay. I've nearly checked every single one, and I haven't found anything. Nothing in. I checked all of them to get up here, to get into the vent. You know what, blue carpet, I blame you. Fly. Well, this is with his friends now. And I blame you too, iron bars. What are these stairs? Like, what are they meant to act? Are they meant to be like barricades? Oh, more stairs. Oh yeah, the elemental library. It's been blocked. I really shouldn't be doing this, should I? Oh, YOLO. Out. Please read. To the decursor, please burn the cursed book in the sacred fire. Where is the sacred fire? Oh yeah, that's not my job. That might remove the might. What happens if it doesn't? If that doesn't work, dark exhibition storage choose 8. The cursed book is one only if you use when you read this. If you want to get out, library fund and then chest will contain the barrier break. Thanks. Dirk the instructor. Well, oh no. Really? Seriously, punch chests aren't there? No. 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 What? That's all the chests in the room. That's every single one. You know, guys, I'll catch you back in a bit once I actually find it.
A few moments later.
Ah, guys, found it. Do I reach that? Yes! Must be destroyed. Curse of vanishing. Okay. How do I... Wait. Barrier breaker. It's literally just max. Okay. Can I put these on my... No, I can't. Now what? Oh! Water. Oh, there were stairs up there. There were stairs upstairs. Well, that really helps. There were stairs in the vent. There you go. There were stairs in the vent, so that may mean I might be able. Well, I will be able to break it. What am I talking about? Going up and going over. Okay, left to right. Okay. What's down here? That's great. Oh, and is the same board exhibit? Single path, ladders. There's another chest down here. Roof key, storage key. Oh, we are in the storage room. Well, time to get back up. Again, over, left. I should be asking why we're on the roof, but I'm not. Right. Ta-da. Don't leave without the curse book. What do I... Oh. It's midnight. Do I really want to get out? Yes. Night 3. Okay guys, that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check the next video for Don't Press the Button when it comes out. See ya!
Make the ground shake.